Hi there, my name is Loriances, member of the JOICO education team for the EMEA region. I'm sure you experience as a hairdresser that 50% of our salon clients are 40 years of age and up. A large percentage of these clients are confronted with hair that is getting coarser, less shiny, drier, more difficult to style and more sensitive to breakage. They are aware of these changes and are looking for a solution to bring back their hair into a youthful state. With JOICO's YouthLock care regimen formulated with collagen, hair gets a second chance to feel soft, hydrated, manageable and shiny. JOICO's YouthLock care regimen is ideal for more mature clients who want to bring back the joy of youthful looking hair. This care collection revitalizes bounce and manageability while locking in strength and shine. Let's take a closer look at the key ingredients. YouthLock care regimen is formulated with JOICO's core technology Smart Release. Smart Release technology is designed to release essential keratin, arginine and rosehip oil to the hair in a smart way. It is responsible for maintaining and improving the strength and condition where needed. The presence of collagen and buriti fruit oil helps to restore strength, shine and hydration while maintaining the optimal health of aging fragile hair. We have 4 products in our JOICO YouthLock care regimen: a shampoo, a conditioner, a treatment mask and a blowout cream. The YouthLock shampoo is sulfate-free, so it will gently cleanse the hair while boosting shine and reducing hair fall from brushing on damaged hair. The YouthLock conditioner will instantly detangle the hair while giving lacking moisture back. It will add body, shine and bounce. The YouthLock treatment mask will instantly nourish the hair without weighing it down. In addition, it will boost shine, reduces frizz for an improved hair condition. The YouthLock blowout cream is the product to use when hair is giving signals of weakness and frizz. It will strengthen, protect against humidity, breakage and hair fall during brushing and blow-dry styling. I'm sure that you're familiar with the use of care products. Shampoos are applied on damp hair and lathered. For optimum results, conditioners are applied on towel-dried hair and processed for 1 to 2 minutes. The YouthLock treatment mask will transform hair into a manageable halo of shine. Apply to clean damp hair and leave in 2 to 5 minutes. The YouthLock blowout cream needs to be used before you start your blow dry. It provides you a more receptive styling with smooth, long-lasting, static-free end results. Apply 2 to 3 pumps evenly on clean damp hair lengths before your blow dry. All the YouthLock care products can be used on a daily basis, are color safe and will guarantee maximum results when used in synergy with each other. As hairdressers, it's our responsibility to offer a solution for more mature clients who are noticing differences in their hair appearance, such as dryness, dullness, lack of manageability and movement. Additionally, we recommend this regimen as home care products for our LumiShine YouthLock color clients. The JOICO YouthLock care regimen is the way to go. Your hair will thank you. Thank you very much for being with me and do not hesitate to visit our website for more information on all our JOICO products. See you there!